In primetime news this evening, a watch bought for a university, leaked AG report on CMU unearths damning financial irregularities. Shut it down. Authorities demand action on rat and roach-infested Spanish Town lockup. And authorities in a race against time to get Port Royal ready for its first cruise ship on Monday. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, both on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Andrew Laidley has our preview.
Yeah, Janella, well, the unemployment figures for October 2019 are in, and it's another record low. But exactly where are those jobs being created? I'll have the details in the Financial Week.
All right, thank you, Andrew. From Andrew at the Business Desk, we go to Spencer Darlington, who's going to give us a preview of what's coming up in sports.
Thank you very much, Herman. Well, there's great anticipation ahead of the RGR Gleaner Sports Foundation National Awards Gala at the Jamaica Pegasus this evening. We'll have a live update in Primetime Sports later and a live coverage later on Television Jamaica and the full network as well.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what are your views on the development of Port Royal as a cruise ship destination?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.